welcome back, friends. Today we have the cutest craft and I cannot wait to show you. We're going to start with some poster board. This is just a leftover piece that I had here at home. We're also going to use some markers. These are paint markers, but you can use whatever color you want depending on what style and design you're choosing. I'm going to use my scissors as well as my hot glue gun. And that's it. Oh, we're also going to use a ruler. Okay, so now we're going to cut the cardboard, or not the cardboard, the poster board into 3-inch strips. Don't worry about the length for now because we are going to trim that here in a minute. Once I have them cut, we're going to fold in about another 3 inches, 2.5, give or take, and then cut off the excess. We just want to fold it. That's it. Fold and cut. I did the same thing on the other two. Now, depending on how many you're making, then of course make as many as you want. These will be great as gifts as well as party favors. Oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless. All right, so now we have 3 little pieces just like this, and we're going to take a rounded edge of something. It could be a plate, a bowl, whatever you have. And we're just going to join one end to the other, curving one side, just like that. Now make sure it's not the side that is joined. It's just the side, the corner that is open. And then once I had it rounded, I'm just going to cut it with my scissors, and this is what it should look like. You see what I'm saying? And then we're going to do that same thing for the next 2. I trimmed off a little bit of the edge to make sure everything's nice and clean and even in the corners. All right, so now we are going to hot glue. We're going to just dab a little bit of glue right there on the edge, and then we're just going to attach that side. Now leaving the rounded side nicely loose, and it should open up, and it should be a cute little bookmark. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you how we design these. I'm going to do the same thing on the other 2, and then very little glue goes a long way, cleaning it off as I need so it's nice and clean. And once you're done with this portion, it should look something like this. So it opens up like a little pocket. See that? So cute. All right, now we're going to place a scrap piece of poster board right inside so we do not get any paint or marker. And then we are going to just start making fruit slices. So this one is going to be a watermelon. So I'm going to use 2 shades of green. And then I didn't have a right shade of marker for the watermelon. So I'm just going to use this one. It's a little on the purple side, but it's okay. It works. I'm going to add little seeds with a black marker, and then we're going to move on to the other 2. One's going to be a lime slice, and the other one is going to be an orange slice. How fun are these? Okay, so now that we are almost done, we're just going to remove it. I'm going to show you how it worked on a book. Simply place it right there in the corner. How fun are these? Again, great gift option, great party favor, but would love to know what you think of this one. Let me know down in the comments. And of course, as always, I have another video here for you with tons more fun crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.